Frisbii Billing provides all functionalities needed to manage the complete lifecycle of a subscription and process payments as well as one-time and recurring invoices. Everything you need can be found in the navigation menu here on the left side of the Frisbii app. From customer, payment, and subscription overviews to comprehensive revenue insights. Frisbii Billing offers a wide range of configuration and customization options to ensure seamless operations of the entire subscription lifecycle, from order to cash to accounting and reporting. User settings such as security and language can be found in the profile. You can access the Help area via the question mark or Help button. It provides valuable information of features, release changes, API documentation, and tours through the different Frisbii menus. More inspiration is available in the top left via search and quick actions. Let's start with the settings. Here we define the basics and standards for our products, payment options, and the details of our customer communication. Integration options and tools might be relevant for your technical teams. As an open REST API-based platform, Frisbii Billing can be used both via the user interface or API calls. All necessary information, including available webhooks and plugins, can be found in the menu item for integration and tools. The individual modules of the product catalog provide maximum flexibility when configuring products and can be used in different combinations. The foundation of every subscription is the plan, which serves as the framework for the services booked by the customer while also defining the terms of the contract, contract duration, billing period, minimum term, and base fee. You can also define one-time setups or onboarding fees payable at the start of the contract, as well as free trial periods. If your customer can choose whether to pay for their subscription monthly or annually, you can create two plans, one with monthly billing and one with a 12-month billing period. On top of your base services, you can use add-ons in case you want to offer your customer additional services that are billed periodically in advance, such as extra modules or users. You can define a separate price for each add-on and the plans that your add-on can be booked with. With the usage-based billing component, you also have the option to charge customers based on the exact amount of services they have actually used. For this purpose, usage data can be reported to Frisbii at any time, which will then be included in the next scheduled invoice. Different pricing models can be applied, such as price per unit, tier-based pricing, a percentage-based fee, or tiered pricing structures for these models. To support customer-specific pricing, you can define discounts as either percentages or fixed amounts and apply them to individual subscription components on an ongoing or time-limited basis. These predefined discounts can also be used to create coupons for seasonal promotions or campaigns targeted at specific customer groups. Frisbii supports a smooth customer journey with comprehensive customer communication, tailored to the different phases of the subscription lifecycle. Starting with translation options for all customer-facing information, such as product names and descriptions, up to sending emails for a wide range of subscription and payment-related events. We provide you with a range of optional email templates that include a specialized editor for extensive customization options. In checkout management, you can configure the final step of the ordering process to be both customer-friendly and consistent with your brand. Terms and conditions, the privacy policy, and other purchase-relevant information are provided to customers. Specific settings for fraud prevention can be configured, and the payment data widget provided by Frisbii can be customized to fit seamlessly into your own design. All configure payment methods, Frisbii already supports more than 50 payment methods, can be used and made available to customers within the payment data widget. You can create different checkout configurations and use them for different customer groups or products. An essential part of the Frisbii billing platform is the finance and accounting section. As a GOBD-certified European platform, Frisbii supports the legally compliant configuration of tax rules, such as the automatic application of reverse charge, as well as dunning processes to ensure timely payment after invoices have been issued. Invoices and credit notes can be customized to ensure consistent numbering and wording. You can also define whether e-invoices should be generated in this section. These will be embedded as XML files into the generated PDF invoices and can be extracted by the recipient. We will add support for e-invoicing network services in a future stage of our e-invoicing development. Frisbii closely monitors legal requirements and timelines related to e-invoicing and VITA and ensures compliance with the necessary platform enhancements. You can also configure accounting reports in the Finance and Accounting section. Export files are available in CSV and DATEV formats and can be generated automatically on a regular basis. A major benefit for accounting teams and tax advisors is the deferred revenue functionality provided by Frisbii, including the regular recognition of deferred revenue entries. The generated export files can be retrieved either from an external drive or directly from Frisbii, and then processed further in your primary accounting system. The generated accounting exports can be found in Revenue Insights. To gain deeper insights into business-relevant KPIs, Frisbii provides additional reports, for example on customers, invoices, transactions, and more. Performance Analytics offers detailed visualizations with extensive filtering and analysis options across revenue, subscriptions, payments, billing, customer satisfaction, and receivables. The data dashboards will grow more detailed as soon as the first data is available in Frisbii and provide a comprehensive picture of your business performance. What if Frisbii could also predict how performance might develop in the future, for example, in response to planned price increases? To address this, our AI specialists have developed predictive analytics, featuring dedicated labs for pricing, retention, and acquisition. Using available subscription and transaction data, these labs allow you to test different scenarios and forecast future developments. In your demo account, you can use sample Frisbii data to experience the functionality of the labs, allowing you to explore the capabilities without having to generate or import your own data. After all settings have been configured and the first reporting options have already been reviewed, we still need to create data in Frisbii to represent and track the subscription lifecycle that were mentioned earlier. You can start by creating and managing customers in the Customer menu. As soon as the first customer has been created, Frisbii automatically provides a web page where the customer can view and manage their own details, payment methods, subscriptions, invoices, and credit notes. All customers are listed in the Customer Overview. Here on the right, you can change the viewed columns and activate additional filters to search for specific customers. You can create a new customer either externally via the API or the user interface using the New button. Various fields are available for customer data, such as name, company, address, and accounting details. In the customer details, the following information is visible or can be created: customer information, one or more payment methods, one or more subscriptions, invoices, credit notes, and the history of customer details. You can see all invoices, credit notes, transactions, and disputes in the Payments menu, which are listed with the configured details. Color markings provide a direct status overview. Here you can download PDF invoices and credit notes. The Subscription section provides an overview of all subscriptions, again, with color-coded status distinctions and various filtering options. The Subscription details list customer details, stored payment methods, and all information of the respective subscription. Contract details including terms, billing dates, and service periods, the booked plan. Any booked add-ons and usage-based products, including usage records, invoices, and credit notes related to the subscription, as well as sent emails and the subscription history. You can book changes to the subscription here, such as upgrades or downgrades, or the booking or modification of add-ons and other products. Depending on the configuration, these changes are scheduled and, where applicable, billed on a prorated basis. Step-by-step explanations of the individual functions are available in the knowledge base. If you have questions while using the Frisbii app, feel free to ask our agent Frida.